Hello, YouTubers. This is the nitro.rc nerds. Well, one of them, anyway. Happy Hardcore Week.
It's okay. It's okay.
You're not the first phony to get G-checked by our boy here, and you damn sure won't be the last.
So let's have some fun. Be Ash.
You already know. I'll tell you though, Muggy, it doesn't appear that you're very well liked in this community. I was inundated.
Oh my God.
With people asking,
They all wanted to know.
what's it like? Upper ass.
Upper ass.
All inside.
Upper ass.
Muggy's ass. Upper ass. So, that's just how that's been. Now here's my advice to everyone. If you want hints, tips and tricks specific to what it's like, stick around, pay attention.
I'm excited. No, really. I'm excited.
It's ready to go. Up Muggy's ass. The reason Muggy is about to have a RTR vehicle go all up in his ass? Because he is a
Hizzo.
Seriously though, Muggy is about to get taught that lesson.
Seeing as it's hardcore week, are you guys down for a little game? That's fantastic. So essentially what happened is, when I turned my wheels after doing a little refresh on the front axles, I noticed that once I turned to a certain spot, that the opposite wheel began to bind. And what was even more interesting is there were no visible impediments whatsoever to the front C-hub. Take a listen.
Oh, hell no.
Now, to get even deeper into this shit, it was also occurring on the opposite end. So when I turned the wheels the other way, same shit would happen on the other wheel. So here's the game. After taking off one of the C-hubs, I immediately realized what it was, and it's something that had actually occurred to me before. So we're going to see if you can guess it. And I'm going to give you some hints. With the first hint being that this can easily happen to anybody with a C-hub. Now, I get it, that's not the greatest hint in the world, but my point being that this issue is not germane to this truggy. It's apt to happen to anybody that has a C-hub steering system. Now, the third and final hint, which I think is a damn good one, that being, take a look at these parts. Take a close look. Whether you're familiar with the truggy or not, it's one of these parts. Now, if you're familiar with the truggy, I can tell you that There's not a single stock part in front of you. As a bonus hint, I doubt anybody will get it.
Now that's real. Why the hell do you think he's doing this video?
You mean besides?
Going up Muggy's ass.
Alright, I'm not sure where in the video I'll drop this, but one little bit of full disclosure. If you have a Tamiya 801 XT, take it apart 100% after the time you take it out and run it to make sure something hasn't gone wrong. Love this Truggy, but it's meant for people who don't crash. I crash.
I crash.
I crash.
I crash. And if you crash, unless you like wrenching your ass off each time after you run, well, I wouldn't recommend this Truggy. Not like you can find it anywhere anyways, but shit, I love this Truggy. I love it. But it's just, there's always that trade-off, right? So it's like in boxing terms, it's a slick boxer. It's not everybody's cup of tea. But still, when it's doing its thing, and
Getting off.
you just have to kind of sit back and say.
Damn.
Another thing that I really like about this Truggy is that the owners of this Truggy, it's pretty, niche community, if you will, be it nitro or electric, just because of the, I guess the status of this Truggy and kind of what's available in the different manifestations that have occurred since this Truggy has been discontinued. But anyway. I think that's all I have for now. I appreciate you joining me on this special day of Hardcore Week. Go back and consider the hints that I gave for the issue in the C-Hub. And like I said, regardless as if you have a Tamiya or not, it's something that can happen to you. So even if you don't know the answer, come back, take a look. Other than that, we'll just keep doing our thing. And
Here's to going up Muggy's ass.